About the phases of crop protection. What are the phases of crop protection? The phases of crop protection was given by R.F. Smith. The phases of crop protection was given by R.F. Smith. He described the 5 phases which can be remembered by using the shortcut SECD. SECD. Subsequent phase, exploitation phase, crisis phase, disaster phase, integrated control phase. In SECD, each letter represents one phase. S refers subsequent phase, E refers exploitation phase, C refers the crisis phase, D refers the disaster phase, I refers the integrated control phase. Let's study about each and every phase in detail. SECD is our shortcut just to remember these phases. S refers to subsistence phase. What do you mean by subsistence phase? In subsistence phase, no external irrigation was given, no insecticides were used, no pesticides were used, no nutrient supply was given to the crop. In subsistence phase, it is mostly used by ancestors or the traditional farmers. They does not give irrigation to the plant. They mainly depends on rain. They does not give insecticides to the plant. They does not give any external nutrition to the plant. Means chemical pesticides are not used. If they say any insects or larva, they just hand picked it. This traditional level of farming can be termed as subsequent phase. In subsequent phase, no external irrigation is given, no nutrients are used, no pesticides are used, just hand picking of larvae can be seen. In exploitation phase, the farmers began to use chemicals. In exploitation phase, chemicals are used. Next, here comes the crisis phase. In crisis phase, the pest becomes resistance, means they develop the resistance, and due to the secondary pest outbreak, higher level of pesticides and higher doses of pesticides are required. In crisis phase, the farmers have to use the higher level of pesticides or higher doses of pesticides because the pest develop resistance or resistance. They also outbreak. In disaster phase, the pest does not respond to any of the pesticide at any concentration. In disaster phase, the pest does not respond to any pesticide in any concentration. And the last one is integrated control phase. In integrated control phase is a result of combination of resources. It is a result of combination of resources. In this phase, optimization of techniques can be implemented. That's what we read in today's class. Let's see the brief summary of today's class. In Green Coach class of today, we learned about integrated pest management, its introduction. So we learned what is integrated pest management. Integrated pest management is the concept which was actually introduced by Guyer and Clark, which they termed as protective population management. It is defined by R.F. Smith. Several integrated pest management definition was given by several scientists and agronomists and entomologists, but the R.F. Smith definition was very famous. He defined IPM as multidisciplinary ecological approach to the management of pest population, which utilizes the varietal control techniques compatibly in a single coordinated pest management system. It is multidisciplinary ecological approach to the management of pest population, which utilizes a varietal control tactics compatibly in a single coordinated pest management system. This definition was given by Smith or R.F. Smith. In the year of 1972, IPM concept was accepted. So the first pesticide poisoning was called Parathion poisoning, which occurred in Kerala in the year of 1953. 108 people had died. We learned about the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, 3rd December it happened. It happened in Union Carbide Company. Carbaryl was the safest insecticide manufactured by them, which also emits a byproduct called MIC, methyl isocyanate, which is unfortunately released into the atmosphere, which leads to 5,000 people death and 50,000 people are permanently affected. And we also learned what is resurgence and pesticide residue, deposits, MRL, maximum residual limit, and acceptable daily intake, waiting period. We also seen some additional information about DDT, and we also seen what is biomagnification. We have seen the phases of crop protection, which was given by R.F. Smith. There was subsistence phase, exploitation phase, crisis phase, disaster phase, and integrated control phase. So friends, that's enough for now. I think we had an amazing time in Green Coach. Please like and subscribe our videos for further video updates. Please subscribe our videos for further video updates. Share maximum. Keep supporting us and we will update you soon with another video. Thank you. This is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu signing off.